guys, it's Matsu. How are you? Dimash is back, and the song's called Blizzard again. But before we start that, I want to say thank you for all the Dimash fans. Nico M, yes, you and I have something amazing that we had to go through, and hopefully that, you know, Dimash song is giving you comfort as myself, along with a UK lady fan. You know, every time it's Dimash ballad, we just cry, you know, but it soothes us. We can be emotional, but yet, you know, very comforting. He has a voice that helps us through our darkest hours, and he's such a great artist. And, you know, when he's on stage, you pay attention, so much emotion is going on. Very humble, a young man. We also want to say thank you to Peter S. I would say your last name, but I'm horrible. Thank you for the background of the last Dimash song, and also Sylvia. It is amazing. You are correct that he's you know, magnificent. And every type of song, you know, it's like recomposed, but he can actually just sing it so beautifully. All right, so let's go back to Blizzard again. So this song was written by a Russian composer, and I'm thinking his name is Konstantin Militsa, in 2007. I hope I said that right. And it's from a movie called The Irony of Fate 2. But this song is the Kazakh version, and the lyrics are a little bit different. So it's, you know, it's unique. I also want to give credit to the translation provided by WinArt, and also we are giving credit to Dimash Zone. So much appreciate, guys, on that. Like I said, if we ever uses Dimash, you know, besides the actual, you know, coming from Dimash, we like to give credit because that's what we do here. We love everybody. We love Dimash fans, and we also like to be fair too. So I'm gonna hush and let's check out Blizzard again. Here we go, guys.
Зарығып тосумен келемен, қар басып пішірген жатыр шоқ. Сол жерден де қайта жолығамыз ба деп ем, сен жоқсың қайта созамын ғой. Аяз қарып жаурайды, жан жүрегім мұздайды. Аяз қарып жүрегім сені іздейді, жаным қайдасың? Мен өзіңді сүйдім, ұнаттым. Кеш жолықтық, неге бірақтым? Қимасақ та қанша бал сезімді бастан бұл, өмірден де өтеді жаным. Аяз қарып жаурайды, жан жүрегім мұздайды. Аяз қарып жүрегім сені іздейді, дышать железом мостайда. Аяз қара жүрегім сені сені жаным
That is actually a beautiful version. I did listen to the Russian version, and I have to say it's very moving, and I love the way he actually sung the song. And with that you get right now so much emotion of yet your heart is freezing, and it's just I get chills through my whole body. And it's amazing of so much emotion, like when he just brings the song. So beautiful. Well done. Very, very talented young man. All right, guys, do me a favor. If you like this video, hit the like, hit the sub, and don't forget to hit the bell. Down below is our Cozy Cup Club. Don't forget to join along with my merch. And don't forget to follow me on Spotify and leave me a comment. What do you think of this? Tell me how you feel, guys, okay? And I appreciate everybody. Other than that, guys, I'll see you next time. Ja, Matsu.